Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are settling the score in the most debated topic in web development, React versus Vue versus Angular. We will break down their philosophies, strengths, and weaknesses to help you decide which one is right for your next project. Let's start with React. Created by Facebook, React is technically not a framework, but a library. Its core philosophy is minimalism. It gives you the building blocks to create components, but it leaves the rest up to you. You choose your router, your state management, and your tools. It follows a learn once, write anywhere approach, meaning your skills transfer to mobile development with React Native. On the other side of the spectrum is Angular, developed by Google. Angular is a full-fledged platform. It comes with batteries included. That means routing, forms validation, and HTTP clients are all built in and standardized. It enforces a strict structure using TypeScript, which makes it incredibly powerful for large enterprise teams where consistency is key. Then we have Vue, often called the progressive framework. Vue sits nicely in the middle. It is designed to be incrementally adoptable. You can drop it into a simple HTML page like a script tag, or scale it up to build a complex single-page application. It offers the best of both worlds, borrowing the component model from React and the templates from Angular. When it comes to learning these tools, there is a clear difference. Vue is generally considered the easiest to start with because it uses standard HTML and CSS syntax. React has a moderate learning curve. You need to understand JavaScript deeply, and concepts like JSX Angular has the steepest curve due to its complexity, TypeScript requirement, and unique concepts like dependency injection. Under the hood, they handle performance differently. React and Vue utilize a virtual DOM, which is a lightweight copy of your interface in memory, allowing them to calculate changes efficiently before updating the screen. Angular uses a real DOM approach with incremental compilation. However, looking forward, all three are converging on fine-grained reactivity using signals for even faster updates. If you are looking for a job, React is currently the king. It has the largest ecosystem and the most job openings globally. Angular holds a very strong position in the enterprise and corporate world. Vue has a passionate community and is extremely popular in the PHP ecosystem and in Asian markets, though it has fewer corporate job listings compared to the other two. The biggest philosophical difference comes down to structure versus flexibility. React offers flexibility. You are the architect, making all the decisions. This is great for control, but can lead to decision fatigue. Angular offers structure. Many decisions are made for you. This reduces setup time for large projects and ensures every developer on the team writes code in the exact same way. So when should you choose which? Choose React if you want a massive ecosystem, are building a startup, or plan to target mobile later. Choose Angular if you are working in a large corporate team or building a complex, long-term enterprise application. Choose Vue if you want to get up and running fast, or if you're migrating a legacy project and need a flexible, lightweight solution. In conclusion, there is no single best framework. There is only the right tool for the job. All three are excellent, mature technologies capable of building modern web applications. Your choice should depend on your team's skills, the project requirements, and your personal preference. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.